Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on a notification about a match on the 433 football application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should scroll down at your home page till you find the matches section and click on see all in the right side of the screen. Tap on schedule, and if you have found a match that you are interested in, tap on it. And if you want to turn on a reminder about it, click on this bell icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. As you can see, it has been turned on, so you are going to get a reminder just before the match starts. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.